Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you part 2 of lesson number 18. The topic of the lesson is solids, boxes, and volume. So, let's begin the part 2. Children, we have done question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 18A in the previous video lesson. Now, in this video lesson, we will do question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 18A. So, let's come to question number 4. The question number 4 is match the volume V of each cube with its edge E. So V is the short form of the volume and E is the short form of the edge. So now children, let us see how we are going to find out the volume. After finding the volume, we are going to match the edge with the correct volume. So we know that edge of the cube, in A part, the edge of the cube is 5 centimeter. And so the volume of the cube is equal to edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge, right? So, which is equal to 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter, which is equal to 125 cubic centimeter. So now we are going to match the edge 5 centimeter written in part A with the volume 125 cubic centimeter written under part B in the volume section. So how we are going to match? We are going to match like this. Clear? Now let's come to the second part, which is the B part, and let's see what is the edge given in B part. So now children, in B part, the edge of the cube is given is equal to 9 centimeter, right? So the volume of the cube is equal to edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge, which is equal to 9 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter, which is equal to 729 cubic centimeter. So children, now what we are going to do? We are going to match this 9 centimeter in the edge column with 729 cubic centimeter in the V column. So this way we have matched 9 centimeter with its volume 729 cubic centimeter. Now children, let's come to the C part. In the C part, the edge is given equal to 12 centimeter. So when the edge of the cube is equal to 12 centimeter, so the volume is equal to edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge, which is equal to 12 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter, which in turn is equal to 1728 cubic centimeter. So now we will match the 12 centimeter edge with the volume 1728 cubic centimeter, which is written in the volume row under E part. Now let's come to the next part. Children, in the D part, the edge of the cube is given equal to 7 centimeter. So the volume of the cube is equal to edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge, which is equal to 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter, which in turn is equal to 343 cubic centimeter. So now match the 7 centimeter edge with its volume 343 cubic centimeter, which is written under column under C part in the volume row. So now let's come to the next part. Now children, in part E, you can see that edge of the cube is written equal to 15 meter. Now children, the volume of the cube will be edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge, which is equal to 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter, which in turn is equal to 3375 cubic centimeters. So now match this 15 meter edge with the volume 3375 cubic meter written under part D in the volume row. Clear? So this way we have come to the end of question number 4. So now let's move to question number 5. Now children, let's come to question number 5 of exercise 18A. This question says, fill in the volume for each cuboid. Length is given, breadth is given, height is given, and you have to find out the volume. And for length, the short form is L. For breadth, the short form is B. For height, the short form is H. And for volume, the short form is V. Children, you can see that in the picture, the box is given having 5 parts A, B, C, D, E. In each part, length, breadth and height of the cuboid is given and you have to find out the volume of the cuboid in each of these parts. So, let's start with the A part. In A part, length is given equal to 6 meter, breadth is given equal to 4 meter, height is given equal to 3.5 meter. So what is going to be the volume of the cuboid? Well, we know that volume of the cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So it is equal to 6 meter multiplied by 4 meter multiplied by 3.5 meter, where 6 meter is the length, 4 meter is the breadth and 3.5 meter is the height of the cuboid. Therefore, the volume of the cuboid is equal to 84 cubic meter. Now children, let's move to the next part. Now children, let's see the B part of question number 5. In B part, length of the cuboid is equal to 10.5 meter, breadth is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 5 meter. So what is going to be the volume of this cuboid? Well, volume of the cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is equal to 10.5 meter multiplied by 6 meter multiplied by 5 meter, which is equal to 315 cubic meter. So this is the volume of the cuboid. Now children, let's come to the C part of question number 5. So in this part, the length of the cuboid is equal to 35 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter and height is equal to 12.5 centimeter. So what is going to be the volume of this cuboid? Let us find it out. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which in turn is equal to 35 centimeter multiplied by 20 centimeter multiplied by 12.5 centimeter, which is equal to 8750 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of the cuboid. Now children, let's see the D part of question number 5. The volume of the cuboid, as you know, is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And in order to find out the volume, let's just see what is the length. Length is equal to 50 centimeter, breadth is equal to 30 centimeter and height is equal to 25 centimeter. So 50 centimeter multiplied by 30 centimeter multiplied by 25 centimeter is equal to 37,500 cubic centimeter. So our volume of the cuboid is equal to 37,500 cubic centimeter. Now children, let's move to the last part of question number 5, which is the E part. So here the volume of the cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Length is equal to 40 centimeter, breadth is equal to 26.5 centimeter, and height is equal to 12 centimeter. So 40 centimeter multiplied by 26.5 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter is equal to 12,720 cubic centimeters. So the volume is equal to 12,720 cubic centimeter. So this way we have done question number 5 also. So children, now we have done question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 18A, and I hope you have very well understood both the questions. So now let us see what is your home assignment. Well, in your home assignment, you have to do question number 4 and 5 in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, my dear students, for watching the video lesson till the end. I hope you have understood all the concepts which were given in this video lesson. So, keep watching, keep learning.